Hi, I'm Steven, and today I'm going to show you how to change the input label on a new Samsung QLED Series Q7 TV. Now, the process is very similar to changing the input label on the Series 6 4K TV, which I also have a video on. But this has a little bit different remote, but other than that, it's pretty much the same thing. So, here's the remote. So, alright, there you go. You're going to hit the home key. It's a little house right there. Brings up your home bar here, pretty much. You're going to scroll left, 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 until you get to source. Now you're going to choose which one of these you want to rename. So, you go up, you can click up when you get to the one you want to name, and it has to be renamable. So this will work for any of your HDMI sources. You can't rename apps, but this will work for your cable box, your Xbox, your laptop, whatever you have plugged in physically to your TV. You'll be able to change the input label on. So you get to it. This says Xfinity. That's my HDMI 1 Comcast. So click up, edit, select edit, brings up a list of pre-written labels which you can choose from, or if you click write, it takes you over to a text field which you can then edit, and then you can type whatever the heck you want in there. Done. I'm already put Comcast in there, so and then hit OK, and then bam, done. So that is that easy. Alright, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Bye bye.